Minister of UP State, Sri Akhilesh Yadav, Minister Sri Chaudhary ji, Deputy Secretary Sharma ji, Alok Ranjan ji, and dignitaries on the dais, dear friends. It's my pleasure to be here with all of you today on behalf of India Electronics and Semiconductor Association, a premier trade body having 250 member companies and more than 20 lakh engineering professionals working for the global as well as local product development. Electronics can change India. That was the vision we started with. And we see today electronics is really impacting every sphere of our life. The key challenge remains, out of $90 billion electronics industry today, 65% is import and 35% is locally made, and that too with the very low value addition. And that throws a huge opportunities. This industry is expected to grow to more than $400 billion and creating the job opportunities of more than 2.7 crore people. The clarion is sounded and the call is Make in India. And it's coming, the affirmation from the highest office in the country, from the Prime Minister, and also the great efforts and initiatives from the Department of Electronics, particularly Sharmaji's department. Everything is moving in the right direction. However, the implementation and everything has to happen in the state. And this is where we really applaud the efforts from the state of UP to timely come out with the IT policy, which adds over and above the benefits and special efforts to attract the investment into the state. So it's not only a question of the subsidy which is being provided on the capital expenditure, the interest, the stamp duty, registration, other things. These are all numbers which are financial matters. Somebody can make the feasibility study. But what is more important is the intent, the sincerity and the seriousness with which the UP state is coming forward and looking at supporting this industry and growing this industry is really incredible. And I really applaud the Honorable Chief Minister and the department here for taking this initiative to capitalize on the electronic sector demand which is catching up in the country, and also create that overall vibrant ecosystem which can really benefit from the development of the electronics as well as the IT sector into India and into the state. At IESA, we are working on a speed-up agenda, and today we sign a MOU with UP state government to expand the scope as well as include all our activities into UP. Particularly, there are 4 things which we are working on. One is on a policy initiatives and implementation. So we want to work on the creating our member companies working together at UP state and really implementing this policy, because all implementation has to happen in the state. Number 2, getting the international connect with IESA being the global body and a lot of our member companies all across the globe, and also the MOUs which we have with countries like United States, Japan, Taiwan, Singapore and others. We want to create that matchmaking and get that connection done so that we get this attraction into the country, into the state. And 2 more things which is more on the skill development, talent, as well as the startup ecosystem, which is very, very important, because we believe that manufacturing low value added will not be sufficient. We need to create the innovations and the design. And it's innovation-led design, design-led manufacturing, which is a way to go for the country and for the state. And IESA is wholeheartedly committed and very well along with the UP state government to move this forward on this agenda.